Filipinos that we found. And the Chinese and some other citizen Filipinos that we found, the kind of activities that we did were purely defrauding citizens around the world using a system that is set up that was so sophisticated.
Welcome to the Political Ranch with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. The current Minister of Interior, Honorable Muntaka, he's in the news once again. Now, so far, I'll say, in this new John Dramani Mahama administration there, Honorable Muntaka is beginning to find some space in the media space, the media landscape, almost every week. Now this time around, no, enye ammonia nwasem. Ni pie be catching ko for say edun for mu per school wentina omu ko school na omu timisua ande a omu hu so anka omu koto ade up edun pz we dey nyesa. Na when we there week we there galamsey wansem. E ba ne se na kwa galamsey wansem. Mumbe kaya NPP has been trying to bring to the attention of Ghanaians say the narrative that was pushed by NDC Banamu opposition mu say galamsey no NPP for ni omu NPP for na mu share mu Kenano enye nukre. Now NPP has also been saying say it seems say the foreign citizens say China 4, Burkina 4, Togo 4, Ivory Coast 4 and all who are in our forest reserve are omuye galamsey no. NDC knows something about it because it was when we were heading to election that we started seeing the foreigners were in our forest reserves destroying the forest cover. Most of them, je parle français, je ne parle pas l'anglais. Oui, tu viens d'où? Je viens du Togo, je viens du Burkina, je viens de la Côte d'Ivoire. That was all they were saying. So we knew very well, say, NDC for na, omushe sanko for nichi. Now election over, then we are seeing a bigger migration from these foreigners. In fact, foreign minister if no honorable kujo to ablakwa. Obeka kire say those countries that we know as the Sahelian countries, Munka ECOWAS umbium, Burkina, Niger, ni Mali no. They are free to come to Ghana. Now, if you are telling them that they are free to come to Ghana, no, then I'm Ghana. For Ghana, so they are free to come to Ghana. No, it just says person galamsey yes sir. NDC say there be and no cray. Now, say a Minister of Interior, who is let's say the supervisory minister over the police and some other agencies. You know. They say, catch them and will say, who Ghana ni, any Togo ni, mukora mkoe galamsey. Na ye chimu mienwa. Ghana neno, you will be prosecuted. You be called befa emrako and so. They say you go to court. If the court finds you guilty, they will charge you, and they might sentence you, custodial sentence.
Many of them are into our forests. Many of them are cutting our trees unlawfully. Others are involved in galamsey activities and many other crimes. We have resolved as a new policy that for two things, you in our forest, whether doing galamsey or cutting our trees unlawfully, getting yourself into fraud activities, that's whether using computer or other fraud activities, for these two crimes, when we arrest any foreigner, we are not interested in prosecuting them. Our first option is to take them back to their country. And this is something that we are very serious about. And you are the first point of call when sometimes you make arrests or when people are arrested, they are handed over to you. Please, if it involves these two things, the prosecutors within the police have officially written to the Attorney General, we are not interested in prosecuting people who are destroying our environment and who are defrauding people across the globe. What we want is that we want to take them back into their country, and then we'll put them on the stop list, never to be able to come back to our country.
Up to even 5 years. You might stay in prison for up to 5 years. And stress it me do call in Sawam. And I say any other prison. Whole prison, and I say Pando prison or wherever. For a number of years. Now Togo Nina ya chi with you no there. They will not take that person to court. They will only send the person back to their country. Same applies to Chinese. Now already, Endra, you saw the number of ministers that went to meet with some so-called Ghana, China mining something. When we as a country, we are fighting against this menace, Galamsey. Our water bodies have been destroyed beyond recognition. Ghana Water Company is saying that it is using excessively abnormal levels of chemicals to refine the water that we consume, and it's even increasing the cost of production that they do, and a whole load of other complaints that are coming from various and different agencies. We are seeing how these foreigners do not even mind holding guns whilst operating the excavators and all. Now you are telling them, say, uchi omwa, omu kodan sawam kakra. All you will do to them is to send them back to their country. So is it not an encouragement you are giving them? You are giving them an encouragement. Now China for no. We are told, say, so far about 109 of them have been deported back to China. Were we or not here when you claim to have deported Aisha Wan and she was able to use land border to enter back into the country? And Madam Fubeka said, no understand I'm being. How? Like, sometimes this kind of palliative care approach, issues are pertinent issues that we as a people must be serious about. Yeah. Always not a palliative care approach, like at the assembly here, and I say because we don't take time to address the root, so that once and for all we will have dealt with the situation. We like to always do surface cleaning. Meanwhile, debt is under. The thing is choking with debt. Our man will cry, say, "Be yeni." The China need to make us say a forest. Na scanner onya nyina no na ehye ne bottom litu na account mo ye China onko prison we will spend money again to board a plane for the Chinese to go back to their country. Now the omo come country so they can come back, because we have over 300 unapproved routes into Ghana from the eastern side alone. Over 300 unapproved routes. And say, free to go right Ghana ma. There are about 300 different places you can pass to enter Ghana that there is no immigration there. And what assurance do you have, say, Chinese 4-way, Togo 4-way, Burkina Faso, Ivorians, and the others, What assurance do you have said they will not come back, they will not sneak back into the country again and go back to the forest reserves to go and destroy it? Mr. Minister, as for Wen Kwande, you have to really rethink it. And you are coming into the news too many times. Almost every week they say you are causing blunders, Mr. Minister, Honorable Minister. Tekus is a 4-year journey. Barely 100 days yet. And so Tekus, calm down. Abutre. Okay, Abutre. Let's do the right thing. This has been a political rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye-bye, cheers. See you in the next one.